This is our site visit. You can check here is here two pipe. I will show you in this video how to install catch basin and how to work. You can check this is our UPVC pipe or storm water pipe. This level is up and this is another pipe. The level is down. We have to install this is road work. Two catch basin install. One is down here. You can check this one, and one is this one. This is the compacted area. You can check it. So two catch basin we will install. One down. The water come from this pipe and it will stay on the catch basin. I will show you the catch basin precast catch basin detail. Okay. When the water comes from this pipe and it will goes to catch basin. So stay in catch basin. Then this the water goes to this pipe. The main purpose of catch basin, you can say, to stay water for sometimes, and then go to other side. Catch basin is same like a main hole. Here, this is our road work. You can check it. This is our road work. We have installed already pipes line, storm water line. This is installed, and the other work also installed. Done it. Okay. So we have to install now precast catch basin here and also here. The level of this precast manhole is up and this one is down. The all the road waters come to this catch basin, then goes to down catch basin. After that they will flow to this pipe and outside of the road. This is the idea of a catch basin. Now I will show you about precast catch basin. Now you can check. This is our precast manhole. Sorry, precast catch basin. Okay, you can check here for pipe hole. You can check. This is thermocol sheet. We can remove, and this is the hole for to join the pipe. The purpose of catch basin is to water come from one side. Manhole is up. Okay, come from this side. The other one is down. Our water come from the side, rain water, any other water, then stay in this catch basin. Okay, after that the other pipe level down, then goes to that point. This is our catch basin work. If you are a site engineer or a civil engineer, you should have idea about catch basin. This is not rocket science. Very simple and very easy thing. So this is our work for catch basin installation on road. Thank you so much. If you are a new, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that if I upload any new informative video, you can get a notification. Thank you so much. This is our precast manhole, and I also inform about all the data, all the information about catch basin. Okay, thank you so much.